Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Perplexity AI API key from your Perplexity AI. This is Howard's How-To Tutorials, and welcome back to another video. Let's get started. Once you're logged into Perplexity AI, which I've shown in another video, how to make an account and log in, go to your profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner, and click the downwards arrow to get all of the options. Go over to all settings and you will be taken to a new window. Here you will see the API. If you have not created an API group yet, you will have to click on API and create one here. It asks for your API group name and a short description, along with an address to create an API group. After that has been made and you have entered a card for billing, you can go to API keys and create key. You will need a pro version of Perplexity AI to do all of the things I just stated. You can get a free pro version of Perplexity AI by watching our other video, how to get Perplexity AI for free up to 2 years as a student. But besides that, this has been a step-by-step tutorial of how to get Perplexity AI API key. Tune in for more Howard's How-To videos just like this.